Find the sum of a series. In this problem, we are going to find the sum of this series, and it starts at 6, and it goes up by 15, and there are 158 terms. So we're going to identify all that. The first term is 6, and we're going to use A. The number of terms is 158, and we're going to use N. Then the difference is 15, and we're going to use D. Step 2. We are going to substitute this into a formula that will get us the sum of the series. And now that we have the values that we need, we simply substitute them in for N, A, and D. And then we evaluate. The result will be 186,993, and that is the summation of all the numbers within this series. And this completes our problem.